Hello, welcome. So guys, I am Bybit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to remove delete channel on YouTube. I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. So here's what we need to do is enter on YouTube Studio here, and now you need to click on the settings. Okay, and now on the permissions, and now on manage permissions, here you have option like trash delete count. This will have delete count. You click on this, and later you will delete. I can do it, can do it, and you may write password for security, and you will have deleted account. Okay, I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, let's go, and bye bye, see you next time, thanks.